Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? It is a bed rail. It is a bed rail for people who maybe need a little help getting in and out of bed. So let's put one of these together and show you how it works. What I'll do here is I am going to put this together. I will probably speed this up so you will lose sound once I start putting this together. And you'll just be able to see me very rapidly put this together because it's kind of boring to watch somebody put one of these together. But I am going to show you the process of putting it together because some people get a little... I will say this about this one. I have put many of these bed rail systems together. This one has very, very good instructions. Kudos to the manufacturer of this bed rail system. Lots of bed rail systems I've gotten have no instructions on how to even put them together. This one has very good instructions. It does include a light that goes right in here. This light is rechargeable. I don't know that it's charged right now. We'll give it a shot. No, it is. So, and it is a motion detection light. So if somebody comes into the room or somebody moves, that light will come on for the person. Like that. So then you take that. All you do like that. So one thing I'll talk about on here is this is great. This has pouches for like remote controls, magazines, and things of that nature. And this goes right in here. And there you have it. Whoop. And there you have your bed rail. Let's put it in the bed. There you have the bed rail in place. And I'll show you just a little bit how that would work out. It helps you get up. One other thing that I did want to add to the bed rail is that this strap here goes, if you want to really make it secure, you can take this strap and then the part that's sliding underneath this bed here, that long horseshoe part, you can take this and attach it here to the other side of the bed and wrap it around the bed and cinch it up so that this part never moves anywhere. I mean, this doesn't seem to me like it's going anywhere, but if you are one of those folks that's worried, or maybe, you know, maybe you have a slippery mattress or something like that, but this is there for you and you can put that in there. If you're one of those folks that has any issues getting in and out of bed, whether it's in an RV or whether it's at home, why struggle every day? Go ahead and get a bed rail. Make your life easier.